drama continues. We made it to UTV Takeover, but now we're getting pulled. We're stuck. All right, we are going to take off from camp and head out to HUCKFEST and watch these guys huck their side-by-sides. Hopefully no one gets hurt, and hopefully it's epic. So we're going to hurry and burn. Here we go.
Shalom, gay boys!
Here is some highlights of the HUCKFEST. And there we got Baby with the longest jump so far. Oh! Oh, that looked like it hurt. Car's running good. Get the dozer out. There's the winner. So mad props to Brandon. All right, we're gonna go over here to the Hillside competition. It looks really fun to do. I really wish I didn't have a issue with my car. I would be doing this all day. This looks so fun.
To the top of this hill and shoot back down between the trees. They have to shoot between the trees. The track. Rolling over side by side to the sand. That's why you never skip leg day. PJ's time, 29.6 milliliter. Trying to be 29.6. 1 team.
Check out this car. So the big crazy week, that car got really mangled up, but stay tuned. So got to give a big shout out. You guys will see in the next coming videos. We got to give a big shout out to MTS. They really helped me out this weekend with this massive issue that I had. It had nothing to do with them other than they helped me with everything. So mad shout out to MTS. Also Sean getting the car running good was epic. We just did so much fun stuff. We did miss some stuff because we had so many cars just get mangled this week. Tell you what, you cannot run the tree lines like you can at Glamis. Like you gotta bring her down a kill or two. There's just a lot of blind corners. We about smoked how many people this weekend? And they about smoked us. Like you just can't mob like you can at Glamis. That's just something you have to kind of figure out, and I learned the hard way. So, but stay tuned because UTV Takeover was awesome. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff from UTV Takeover coming up.